V-Mart Q3 FY26 results, revenue hits 1,126 crore rupees, PAT soars 23%, record store expansion or margin boost. V-Mart Retail Limited posted strong performance in Q3 FY26, with revenue increasing 10% year-on-year to 1,126 crore rupees. Despite a shift in the festive calendar impacting quarterly comparisons, underlying demand remained robust, reflecting steady consumer appetite for value fashion across Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. EBITDA rose 22% year to 210 crore rupees, with margins expanding to 18.6%. Strategic cost management, improved inventory health, and operational efficiencies contributed to this margin expansion, supporting overall profitability even amid seasonal timing shifts. Net profit surged 23% year to 88 crore rupees, highlighting the effective conversion of top-line growth into bottom-line performance. On a year-to-date basis, PAT has more than tripled to 113 crore rupees, reflecting the cumulative impact of operational improvements and disciplined cost management. Store expansion remains a key growth driver. In Q3 alone, 23 new stores were added, bringing the total store count to 554. These new stores are performing well, often surpassing the sales throughput of older stores, which underscores the strength and appeal of the V-Mart brand in its target markets. Revenue from operations has benefited from a healthy combined Q2-Q3 growth of 15%, with same-store sales growth adjusted for festive shifts standing at a solid 5%. This demonstrates that the core retail business continues to gain traction, with strong customer engagement and repeat purchase patterns. V-Mart continues to leverage its omni-channel platform, including LimeRoad, along with other major online marketplaces, ensuring access to digital-first customers. The integration of digital sales with physical stores strengthens the brand's reach and supports steady growth in high-potential regional markets. The company's focus on value retailing allows it to cater to the aspirations of India's rapidly expanding middle class, offering affordable, high-quality fashion apparel and accessories for the entire family. This approach has helped V-Mart sustain demand across varied economic cycles. Margins and cost efficiencies improved through disciplined inventory management, optimized supply chain operations, and strategic sourcing. These measures not only enhanced profitability but also positioned the company to capture opportunities in emerging markets and new store locations effectively. Looking ahead, V-Mart plans to continue its expansion trajectory while maintaining profitability, focusing on adding new stores in high-potential Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities, improving store productivity, and strengthening its omni-channel presence. The overall performance in Q3 FY26 demonstrates that V-Mart is successfully combining growth, profitability, and strategic store expansion to create long-term shareholder value while sustaining a strong market position in organized value fashion retail. The stock market moves fast, and missing one update can cost you. To stay ahead with the latest company news, quarterly results, and order wins, hit that subscribe button now. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a market beat.